Welcome to the Banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by holding the magnifier by its rim. This prevents smudges that blur detail. Place the lens about 1/2 to 6 inches from the object, closer for short focal lengths, farther for long ones. Once positioned, rest your elbow on a table to steady your hand. This reduces wobble and helps you find the sharpest focus. Make sure to look through the center of the lens because peripheral distortion increases toward the edges. So align deliberately and begin observing the subject. You now refine focus by moving the lens slowly toward or away from the object. Small adjustments produce large clarity changes. At the same time, change lighting, angle a lamp to eliminate glare, or use diffuse light for even illumination. Shadows reveal texture, but reflections hide detail. Once you have focus and proper light, adjust background contrast. Place a darker or lighter card behind the subject to make edges pop. This combination of focus, light, and contrast reveals fine features you couldn't see unaided. You finish by scanning the area systematically. Move left to right and top to bottom to ensure full coverage. If the image softens, pause and clean the lens with a microfiber cloth. Avoid solvents that can damage coatings. Make sure to secure consistent support for repeatable focus. If things go wrong, troubleshoot in order. Recheck distance between lens and object, adjust lighting to remove glare, and stabilize your hand or mount. These 3 checks fix most problems quickly and get you back to clear viewing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.